All right, a very warm welcome to you all. A very, very quick market update. It's 12:25 p.m. Tuesday, 29th of June, 2021. So, last night when we came out with the video, the data was not looking very good and the markets have shown that the stock futures don't lie. But now that's over, right? What happened yesterday, what happened today morning is over. Now, what can we do now? That's the important question. Bank Nifty is at 35,060. We're at a very, very crucial point, and I've told you in a lot of my videos that whenever there's a panic kind of sell-off that happens in the market in the morning hours, generally look for W kind of patterns. Markets give you something like a double bottom. Try to look for those patterns before you initiate buys. I'm again telling you, please do not unnecessarily buy right now. We are right now at the day low of Bank Nifty, even at Nifty. So we are seeing some buying happening in the stock of Reliance. That's why Nifty is coming off the lows. But I want you to track one very simple thing. Are we getting a follow through below 35,000, 40, 50 levels? If we are getting that, I do not want you to go long. And if you're in the short position, good for you. You can maintain your shorts. Targets for you could be 34,980, 34,800. But am I going there? Not as of now. I'm not sure if I go on the short side anymore. I've already taken the shorts in the morning. You're already aware of that. But right now, what I am concerned about is I personally feel that the buying momentum might start from now. The panic, the short momentum that was there, it might mitigate is what I personally believe. Right. So again, I'm not giving you buy sell recommendations right now as I speak. The small cap index is still up 23 odd points, and the mid cap 50 is flat, and the mid cap 100 is also flat, down very, very small points. I'm again repeating, if you want to be a buyer in this market, you have to make sure this level is taken out, which is 35,125, 35,130. If that level is broken out, the risk reward is in your favor. You can start to be a buyer in the market. Otherwise, if the levels of 35,000, 50, 40, if these levels are broken out on the downside, then you should not be a buyer. If you're in longs, that should be your SLs. If you are already in shorts, right, and if you think the markets will come down, then you can come for 34,980, 34,800 targets, but only and only if the markets follow through. If you are short in the market and if this level is taken out, 35,130, you should trail your SL and you should accept that SL and you should book your stops, book your shorts. If you look at the Nifty Private Bank Index, you can see some kind of strength is being witnessed. How in the Nifty Bank Index you are forming, the same lows. However, in the Nifty Private Bank Index, we are forming higher lows. So what we need to see is, are we going above 18,480 levels? If we're breaking 18,480 on the upside on the Nifty Private Bank Index, that is the time I would like to initiate my long bets. I've given you these two levels. See how they play out. If they don't play out, please do not trade. If you don't get a trade today, fine, sit out. But don't be greedy. Do not unnecessarily trade. If you look at the Nifty, even same with Nifty PSU banks. Nifty PSU bank also at the support right now. Observe price action. Am I getting a follow through on the downside, or are we getting a double bottom or a W pattern on the upside? Accordingly, plan your trades. Even in the case of Nifty, we did get some kind of panic, I think, because of Reliance. Reliance was too volatile in the last couple of 15-20 minutes, but it's been bought into. Observe price action at these lows. Are you getting a follow through below the day low? If that happens, don't be long right now. We might want to then buy somewhere around 15,680, 690 levels. However, if the market starts to go over 15,781, I've already given you this level. If the market goes above that, then we start to initiate bullish bets in the market. That's the entire update I want to give you right now. Track these levels and only trade the market and not the forecast. Thank you so much.